don't connect to them and expect them to connect back to you. It is draining, it is time consuming, it is exhausting, and I will tell you, it can also be depressing. Hello beautiful people, you are welcome to my channel. Stacy here as always, and I welcome you to get another video. In this video I want to share with you why you should stop doing that sub for sub or watch for watch. It messes up your channel. You wouldn't want to be in that position. If this is what you are looking for, watch this video to the end. Your channel is sabotaged because you have been doing sub for sub. I am saying this from experience. See, when people subscribe to your channel because you subscribed to them, they are not genuine subscribers. When you check your YouTube studio, you will see where information is supposed to be written about the kind of videos that interest your viewers. This gives you an idea of the kind of videos you are to make. But if you are doing sub for sub, you will always see not enough data collected for this. That place will always remain blank. This is so because your subscribers have videos they are interested about. YouTube has collected this data. So imagine you subscribe to a channel where the owner of that channel loves to watch faith-based messages, and your channel is about fashion. How do you want YouTube algorithm to rank this? So on this your channel, 100 people subscribed, and about 100 of these people have different unrelated interests. What this does to your video is it confuses YouTube about the kind of people they will recommend your videos to. YouTube will be trying to find the set of people who have similar interests with what you are doing. But it becomes difficult because these people who are subscribing to your channel do not have uniformity in interest. So YouTube does not know what to do, and it ends up not projecting your channel to other people. YouTube would want to promote your videos after you have uploaded them on your channel, but it is confused because Mr. A came to this channel, watched about 5 minutes video and subscribed. Checking the interest of Mr. A, we found out that Mr. A is interested in religious based videos, but your channel talks about fashion. Is there need to recommend these videos to this person? No. Why? Because some people have turned their YouTube setting to videos that are only of interest to them. So when you make your videos, even though they subscribe to your channel, YouTube will not recommend your videos to them because based on their settings, their interest is not in the kind of videos you make. So you only attract them for that day, and after that day, they are done with you. You can now see why you don't need that. You have many subscribers, but they are not active on your channel. Some of these people might not have set their YouTube based on their interest, but let's look at it this way. Remember, when you upload your videos on YouTube, the first set of people YouTube promotes your videos to are your subscribers, especially those who clicked on the bell icons to receive notification from your channel. But you know what? Because these people are also busy as you are creating content, they might see that notification but will not be at the right space or right mood to click on your video and watch. When the people who subscribe to your channel receive notification from YouTube that you've uploaded a video and these people swipe it, it signals danger to your channel and your video. The downside of this or your channel is when the people who are supposed to watch your videos, who are your subscribers, swipe your video, they did not watch the video, it signals to YouTube that this video is not good enough, because there is nothing interesting about the thumbnail, or I don't even find this channel interesting. So when 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of the people who received notifications or recommendation of your videos based on the fact that they are subscribed to your channel decide not to click on your video, YouTube begins to place it at the background. It does not push it further because it is business. YouTube wants to promote videos that are of utmost interest to people, videos that can generate traffic. So why should they put efforts on your videos where the first people who even subscribe to your channel, which is an indication that they love what you are doing, are not even showing interest in the video you made? There's no need to project it to other people who do not know you. This is one thing it is doing to your channel. So do not go subbing for people because you want them to sub back to you. It will hurt you. It will hurt your growth. It will hurt your channel. Another reason why you should not do sub for sub is because not everyone on this space is as genuine as you might be. I mean, if you are committed to being committed to their channels. Look at this. YouTube is a business space, and almost everyone here who has a channel is here because they want to be monetized. And to be monetized means they will pay attention to how they will get their content, they will study for the content, they will do a lot of background works before uploading their videos, shooting the video, editing the video, and lots more. I have been on this space trying to shoot videos for over 5 hours. Imagine that I subscribe to other channels and they subscribe to me. They'll be expecting me to be on their channel within this 5 hours. But no, I am here trying to make content for my channel also. This is what every content creator goes through. So sometimes it is not because they don't want to even be there, but they have to be relevant on their channels as well. If they want to be relevant on their channels, how can they balance between getting their contents ready and availing themselves to support you on your channel? Even though there are people who make it a duty to be committed to supporting people, I know I used to be that person, but 80 to 85% of the content creators on this space are not like that. They are after the goals and not after supporting you. I remember when I started this sub for sub stuff, I literally gave about 8 to 10 hours of each passing day to content creators on this space. I have 2 phones, so I would use my 2 phones and support. While I use this particular phone to support A, I would be using the second phone to support B. And when I'm done with that, by the end of the day, I put this hours together, it is almost 8 hours to 10 hours. I have my business to also do, you know, but I had to stop doing all of this so I could support other content creators like me, because I understood the pressure with trying to meet up with the time frame for monetization. And doing that, I took time and noticed that people are not doing that for me also. I spent more time to do that, more money, because I would in a month subscribe for data that would take me for 3 to 4 months on a normal day. So I was doing that to support every other person. This means it was taking my time, my resources, and it did not even avail me the opportunity to do more research to make good content. Sincerely speaking, most of the contents I was making, I didn't feel the quality of what I was dishing out because I could not research more and make these videos more appealing. This is one of the downsides to doing sub for sub as a content creator. The efforts you are giving out, you might likely never receive it. But yeah, there are also amazing people who connected genuinely and decided to keep coming back. If you did not even connect to a channel, it is not bad. It is your choice. And this brings us to feeling guilty of not supporting other people. When you do sub for sub, you want to meet up with every person. That was where I found myself. I felt guilty for not meeting up. So I would leave the hours I am supposed to be productive, making good content, supporting other people. Unfortunately, they might not be thinking of it or doing same for my channel. And that affects you because at the point, if you're not careful, you begin to have negative feelings about these people. But no, they came out to do the same thing you're doing. If you want to enjoy this space, please build organically. Never you settle for sub. This does not mean that you stay away from connecting to people you like. If you must do that, you are doing it because you love the channel. If you connect with someone on a live stream and you like what they are doing, connect to their channel. You will learn a lot from them. Connect with them. If they have videos you love, watch their videos, and that's okay. But when you are doing it because you want them to come to you or you want to go to them, you break down. You will break down. I would recommend you don't walk this path because it can be exhausting. Another downside of sub for sub is when you check your YouTube studio and you check your analytics, you will know more about this thing I want to say. So go to your YouTube studio, go to a video, click on analytics and see the activities going on there. Check your impression click-through rate and also check your average view duration. Here, that is where you will know if you have people who are committed to your channel or you only have click and run subscribers. It is far better you have 50 committed subscribers who will come on your channel and watch every of your videos than to have 2,000 subscribers who will click on your video and run back in the next 1 minute. Hey! That is wickedness. Now let me tell you one thing. When people are doing sub for sub, they want you to know they have come to your channel. What they do is they find a video, click on that video, immediately they click on the video, they will click on like, then run to the comment section and say lovely video, thanks for sharing. They do not watch. 1 minute and they are gone. 2 minutes and they are gone. And they drop fantastic, amazing comments in the comment section. You think YouTube doesn't have? There are technologies set in place to analyze every of this. So when people come and click on your videos and leave within 1 minute, 2 minutes, YouTube knows what it is doing. It will pull your video or your channel down. These people are coming by recommendation somewhere. Someone might have shared your video somewhere and asked them to go and watch it. When they come there, they will just click, you're doing well, and they're gone. You have lots of views on your channel, but no watch hours. This is one thing you will experience when you go ahead to do sub for sub. You will be seeing lots of activities on your channel, but these activities will never measure up to the watch hour you are looking for. I'd rather stay back and build organically. If it takes me 2 years to get there, I will do that gladly. I go to channels and support them because I want to watch the videos. If for any reason these people feel my videos are not okay for them, it is fine. That's good. That's okay. But I had to decide that I can only go to that live stream, I can only go to that channel, I can only watch that video if I find it interesting to watch. And there are people who I know are very committed for my growth. If they have channels, I will go back to support them. Yes, I made that resolution. I will look out for them, because it takes a lot of effort for someone to be sacrificial of their time and data to watch and support you. This might not be all that you would experience if you do sub for sub, but these are the key reasons why your channel is in this mess. If you will go to a channel because you love what they are doing, and reserve time for yourself to know what to talk about on your channel. If you have not really started this journey, I will not advise you to do this. And this is not stopping you from joining people's live streams to connect. You can join people's live streams to connect with one another, but don't do it because they are doing it for you. Do it because you like what they are doing. If you've watched to this point and you have not subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. If you are a returning subscriber, I love you so much from the bottom of my heart, and I appreciate you for always coming back to watch my videos. If you found this content helpful, you can share with your friends and loved ones. Thank you and have a blessed day. Bye.